everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch, and today we are going to be doing an easy St. Patrick's Day project. This is a super easy project for St. Patrick's Day. I have some cute scrapbook paper, Shamrock scrapbook paper that will work perfectly for this. And I have some glass stones. And the first thing I would suggest doing is cleaning these, whether you use like a Windex window cleaner or you can just use some rubbing alcohol. You want to make sure they're clean and the grease from your fingers and stuff aren't on there so that everything will stick as it should. So I'm just taking a little rubbing alcohol. I'll just clean the whole stone because why not? I got it out. And we've used these glass stones for a number of different projects in the past. We have done something similar to this, and we have also used it with alcohol inks and with nail polish. So today we're going to do a St. Patrick's Day version, and we're going to incorporate the scrapbook paper with it. And I'm going to take my piece and I'm going to lay it down over a shamrock. I'm going to take a pencil and I'm going, if you notice, I'm drawing underneath it at an angle so I get as close as I can to that base. And then I'm going to take my scissors, cut it out just like that. Now I'm going to take a paintbrush with a little Mod Podge on there, add it to the back of the stone. Then I will place the stone down over the piece of paper, press it down really hard, put some more Mod Podge on the back, and be sure to get the edges and have them curl down the sides a little bit. And then take your finger and rub the paper down so you don't get any bubbles trapped in there. And then you can get those edges down a little bit more on the sides and add a little bit more Mod Podge. And then you can just let them dry. And if you're using regular Mod Podge, you're going to have a cloudy film on there, but when it dries it'll still come out clear. I happen to be using a super gloss, and that goes on a much clearer right from the start. Alright, now I'm going to put that aside. Here are the glass stone shamrocks all finished, and you can leave them as they are and just have them as like table scatter or something like that. Or you can get these jewelry bales and you can get them in different finishes, sizes, styles, and all you have to do is glue it onto the back. And if your back is nice and neat, you don't have to do anything to it. You can certainly add a sticker or paint it a different color, whatever you want to do. But you would just take your jewelry bale and glue it onto the back, and you would have a pendant. You can use super glue, weld bond, any kind of glue that you want. And then if you add a chain or a cord, it is a very quick, easy, inexpensive necklace that looks nice and festive. You can also add a magnet to the back instead and make it a refrigerator magnet, a magnet for your locker. And my last idea is to actually buy some napkin rings, whether these unfinished ones that you can paint up or even some inexpensive ones that you can get at the dollar store, and glue these on there. And now it adds a little extra festive flair to your table if you are hosting a St. Patrick's Day dinner. So I hope you like them and I hope you give them a try. Be sure to let me know what you think of this project down in the comments below. I do have an Easter themed one coming up, and then I also have a totally different idea for this technique as part of a larger project. If you aren't already, you might want to make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss those projects as well. I hope you like the St. Patrick's Day project and I hope you give it a try. Very inexpensive and easy. May the luck of the Irish be with you, and I will see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye guys.